show you how to use Word to reference. So first, when you open a Word document, it should come up on the Home tab. You're going to want to go to the ribbon and click on References. Under References, you will see this section. This will be our most important section. You will pick from the style list Chicago, and then you can click Insert Citation. Within this, you will be able to create a in-text citation, which you can later use to create your bibliography. So first, you're going to want to click the type of source that you're using. Right now, I will be using a book, and then you're going to want to find your information. So here I already have Raymond Connell's information prepared, and you're just going to want to click Edit under the author name, and this way make sure that it comes in the correct order, the last and first name, sorry. Just going to enter your information. Since I know her name, I can put her name in and her initial. And you just put in the title and the city that it was published. Where does it say here? I'm just going to put in Berkeley. And the publisher was University of California Press. And the year was it's the second edition, so I'll put 2005. Click OK. And then here that creates that in-text citation that I said. Sorry about that. And I'll just show you two more examples of how you can use a book chapter and how you can use a website for referencing. So it's going to get your information ready. So this one is a book chapter not written by Raymond Connell, but about her. And sometimes it's easier if you create them next to each other so you can directly reference. So again, you can go here, Insert Citation, and go down here and click Book Section. And sometimes it's a bit easier to copy and paste so you don't have any spelling mistakes. And so notice how I've taken this title. This is the title of the chapter, which is going to go here. The book title will go here. Enter that in there. And the authors I put in here. Marie. Okay. Oops. And I can add the other one. Okay. And now I have to go find the information of the book. I can find that that's here. I'll also want to copy the pages that this chapter is on and just stick that in here so that people who want to go look at this know which chapter to go to. Well, they should from the title, but and then I can just take the title of the book. And then you're going to want to take the editor that's provided. And then after that, you're going to want to find the publishing information about the book. You can find that here. And let's see, Palgrave, Macmillan, and it's in London. And the year is is that up here? 2015, sorry. Click OK. There's your second one. And the last one I'm going to show you is how to cite a news article. As it sometimes is a bit different with each citation you do. So again, Insert Citation. You're going to go to Website, or you can click Document from Website. And by doing Document from Website, you can include the news title and the title of the news page. So in this case, I have 3 authors. And then I'm going to do the same thing, just copy the title, which is going to be the name of the web page. And then the name of the website is just CBC. And then you're going to want to take the URL. And then you can put the year and the month. and the day that it was published, and also you're going to want to include the day that you accessed it. And there you have 3 different type of sources. And from previous slides, we'll know that because there's 3 authors, we will include all 3. But if there was 4 or more, it will become et al. And so to create a bibliography out of this, you can go to, again, citations and bibliography. Well, first I'll show you this actually. Say you have, this isn't actually anything that Connell has said in her specific book, but say this is something that she said and I've paraphrased it and I want to include it in text citation. I just click here on my citation and I double click here and it will include it. And say that she said this on page 5, I can go edit this citation and I can click 5 and it will add that page number in for me. And okay, we'll go back to, I'll correct my grammar. And now we will show you how to use a bibliography. So again, just up here, bibliography, click on there, and then click on bibliography, and it will have them all here for you. And you can see that they aren't in alphabetical order. That is because there's a bug in Macintosh in Word. I don't have this problem on my Dell PC, but on my Mac I do. What you want to do is highlight all of the information there, and you're going to go here and click Convert Bibliography to Static Text. We do this because under this, it becomes controlled text, and we can't do the A to Z function on controlled text. And click Sort, Paragraph, Text, and Ascending. Click OK, and that will correctly organize that for you. And now I will show you how to use websites like JSTOR and not use Word to reference.